Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Good morning, good people. Good morning, student. How are you
Good morning,
today?
sir. Good morning, sir. I am
We are
fine.
fine, sir.
Fine.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Uh, Mr. Sulaiman, you look so happy today.
Yes, of course, sir. I'm great today. And,
Okay. How are you, Mr. Sulaiman?
I'm great.
Okay, Mr. Waris, you look so sad. What make you sad?
No, no, sir. No, I am happy.
Oh, happy. You always smile. I like you.
Okay, mister.
Thanks for entertaining us, Mr. Mr. Nurholis. Hello.
Yes, sir. Present.
Yeah. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Okay. And Miss Sofiana, you look so beautiful today.
Thank you.
Okay.
Do you see there's so many flowers behind me?
Yes.
Bapak,
I
Yeah.
hope
Mr. Dedi,
I'm
Yes.
for the wedding
ingat
ceremony.
remember your wife, Mr. Dedi. Remember your wife.
you're
Miss Sophie is not beautiful.
Okay.
Remember your wife is more beautiful.
Okay. Okay. I glad to know that you are fine. Today we are going to learn English. Yeah. Uh, Let me say something. Uh, Wait. I want to share. Okay, while we are waiting this presentation, and I would like to check attendance list for today. First, Naja. Naja.
Yes, Mister.
Okay. And then Lilik.
I'm here, sir.
Okay. And then Nurholis.
Present, sir.
Okay. And then Ari.
Yes, I'm here, sir.
Tina.
Present, sir.
Where are you, Tina?
I'm here.
Okay, good. Sophie.
Hello, sir.
Okay. Waris. Hello, Waris. Waris.
I am
Hello.
here, mister. I am here.
Oh, oh, okay. And then Rahma. Rahma, where are you?
Rahma.
Hello.
Who is Rahma?
Who is Rahma?
Oh,
There is
sorry.
no Risma, Risma.
Oh,
Risma, sorry.
present, sir.
Sorry, Risma.
Risma.
Ah, and then Isnani.
Present, sir.
Okay, and the last, Eman.
I am here, sir.
Okay. Okay, before we are going to learn about English today, it start and it be better if we recite Al-Fatihah together. Okay, I want to choose someone of you to lead the fray today. Maybe Mr. Nurhalis. Mr. Nurhalis, would you like
Yes,
to
sir.
come in front of your class? Okay,
Yes, of course.
go ahead.
Yes. Okay. Attention. Well, class, before we studying English together, it is better for us to praying Al-Fatihah. Okay. Please we recite together. Al-Fatihah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. آمين.
Okay, have you
Finish.
seen
Thank you very
the
much.
PowerPoint? Okay, thank you, Nurhalis.
You're welcome, sir.
Have you seen the PowerPoint on
Yes,
your
sir.
screen?
Yes, yes. Yes.
Okay. Today we are going to continue our lesson and our material last week. We are still discussing about this material. This is a few of our material today. You see?
Yes, I see.
Okay. I want to ask you something. What you have learned in previous meeting? Do you remember our last material?
I
No?
forgot, sir.
Oh,
I was absent, sir.
okay. Anfli,
I
problem.
forgot,
Also?
Mister.
Label. Yes, apa
Label?
label?
Oh,
Ah.
it's nice to hear you. There is
Alhamdulillah. Thank you very much,
one
sir.
person. Oh, yeah. Okay, we are going to learn about label. Yeah, still discussing and still discussing about this material label. Okay. I like to show you something. Is this a correct the positions of your class? I have arranged. Jadi Bapak sudah mengkondisikan kelas. Kelasnya sudah bagus nih ya. Luar biasa. Kelasnya sudah luar biasa. Ini posisinya sudah benar ya. Kalian duduk berdasarkan posisi ya. Yang sudah Bapak rancang nih. Biar kalian fokus ya. Jangan kemana-mana. Oke. And now, let's start ya. Our study. You get the picture. We are still going to learn about the label. What is label? What is the social function of label? And what is the benefit of label? And I want to emphasize you in this great morning to always keep spirit happy and smile. Are you happy today, student? Hello.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Always smile ya. Okay. This is our previous meetings. Dan kita sebenarnya sudah membicarakan tentang label ini di pertemuan kemarin ya. Tapi belum menyeluruh. Mari kita bahas lagi, mereview lagi. What is label? So what is a label? Label is is a piece of paper that give you information about product. Yeah, label is a piece of paper that give you information about product. Okay, there are three kinds of label. First, food. Second, drink. And the third, medicine. Yeah. Do you get the point? Jadi anak-anak, kita sekarang membicarakan tentang label ya. Label itu apa sih kegunaannya label? Apa sih fungsinya label? Label itu apa sih? Jadi label itu berisi tentang keterangan yang ada di dalam produk sebuah mau itu sebuah makanan, mau itu sebuah minuman, mau itu sebuah obat-obatan ya, seperti itu. Seperti misalnya dalam makanan ya, apa yang kalian suka? Which food do you like? Waris, which food do you like, Waris?
Yes, Mister.
Which food do you like? What kind of food do you like?
This one, Galian sing set, Mister.
No. I ask you about food. What food do you like? What kind of food do you like?
I like
rice,
bakso.
Oh, red rice. Oh, Who is like what? Baso, Miss Lilik.
Yes.
So like baso, Miss Lilik. Oh,
And
Yes.
I like sate Madura,
I
Mister.
like cilok.
sate Madura. Miss Isnani, what kind of food do you like, Miss Isnani?
I like cilok, Mister.
Cilok. Okay, good.
Yes.
Mr. Sulaiman, what kind of food do you like?
I like mie ongklok. Do you know mie ongklok?
Beg your pardon?
Mie
Me?
ongklok.
Kalau itu khas Wonosobo ya, Pak?
Oh,
Yeah,
gitu.
these are special food from Wonosobo.
Okay. Nisan Holis, what kind of food do you like?
Payam. Payam.
Peyem.
Yes.
Peyem Bandung.
Yes, nya. Yes. That's right.
Mr. Naja, are you with me? Hello. Oh, where is Mr. Naja?
Yes, of course, Mr.
Okay,
Deddy,
Mr.
I'm
Naja,
here.
what kind of food do you like?
I like, just like Bu Isnani, yeah. I like cilok very much.
Oh, cilok. Okay.
And also cilor.
Okay.
What about
Okay.
you, Mister?
Okay. I like every food I like, except the raw food. I don't like.
You are greedy, Mister.
Thank you for for praising me. Okay.
Greedy
Talking
is not.
about food.
I like
Talking
meatball.
about
I like
food.
meatball.
Oh, Mr. Ari, you like meatball too?
Iya. Bakso,
Oh,
pasti.
sounds great. Yes. Okay.
Ferrari.
Miss Risma, what kind of food do you like?
Okay, I like bakso.
Oh, you like bakso
Yes.
too. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Talking about food, I want to give you a guess. Ya, kita tebak-tebakan dulu nih anak-anak ya. Bicara tentang makanan nih. Makanan apa yang cara pesannya itu harus marah-marah?
Ketoprak. Prok. Ayam geprek.
Tahu
Geprek
tek-tek,
ayam.
tahu tek-tek, Mister.
Smash chicken.
Yes. Yo, ulangi. Makanan apa yang cara pesannya itu harus marah-marah?
Tek-tek, tahu tek-tek.
Tek-tek? No?
Pempek.
Anyone else? No?
Oh,
Give up?
Itu susu, Mister.
Nasi gila.
No? No?
Sate bisa.
Give up? No. The right answer is no. The right answer is teriyaki. Teriyaki.
Teriyaki.
Oh yeah.
Teriyaki.
My favorite.
Okay.
Okay, the second one. Yeah, before we are going to learn about this material. Bakso apa? Because some of you like bakso, and I will give you some question. Bakso apa yang nggak boleh dilihat?
Aurat.
Bakso?
Aurat.
Bakso selingkuh.
Good guess. Bakso aurat.
Bakso aurat.
Bakso aurat. Good guess, Eman. Okay. 2 time for you. Ya, bakso apa yang nggak boleh dilihat berarti bakso aurat. Okay, so then we are going to learn about our material today. Yeah, we are going to learn about label. So what is a label? This is about label. Okay, label of product. Sorry. Oh, no. This is label is piece of paper that give you information about the. Jadi label itu sebuah keterangan yang ada di sebuah kertas, bisa itu keterangannya dalam bentuk tulisan, ataupun apapun itu yang memberikan informasi tentang sebuah objek. Itu jadi di sini tentang label, ya. Jadi label itu terbagi ada pertama ada yang namanya label food. Label divided into 3. First, food, medicine, or drink, ya. Jadi ketika kalian misalnya dalam kehidupan sehari-hari, because we are linked to the everyday activities, always find a label product in our daily life, such as if we want to buy food, if we want to buy medicine, if we want to buy some drink maybe, yeah, we always catch up with the labels, yeah, in every product. So what is the function of label? The social function of label is first to give detailed informations about product, ya. Jadi purpose itu artinya, what's the meaning purpose? Tujuan, betul ya, correct ya. Jadi purpose itu tujuannya. Jadi tujuan daripada label itu first to give detailed informations about product. Jadi memberikan informasi yang menyeluruh, yang mendetail secara produk. Is it important? Of course important. Yeah, of course important. And the second one, to choose which product is safe. Ya, jadi memilih produk ini aman atau tidak untuk kita, ya, dikonsumsinya. Karena banyak beredar di pasaran ketika kita, if we want to buy something like food or like a drink or like medicine, we sometimes ignores the label. You just buy directly and obey the label itself. And the third, to get the best result. Jadi untuk mendapatkan hasil yang terbaik. Jadi ketika kita mungkin dalam konteksnya ketika kita sakit, apa yang kita beli ketika kita sakit?
Obat, medicine.
Medicine ya. Ketika Nurholi sakit kepala, kira-kira belinya obat sakit kepala atau obat batuk?
Obat batuk, Pak.
Sakit kepala.
Obat batuk.
Botrek, Pak.
Botrek. Iya.
Botrek.
Oke.
Sakit kepala.
Oke. Nah, jadi yang dimaksud dengan untuk mendapatkan hasil yang terbaik itu, to get the best result itu, jadi kita sesuaikan konteksnya. Ketika kita sakit kepala, kita beli obat sakit kepala. Ketika kita sakit rematik, masa iya kita beli obat sakit kepala, ya? Oke.
Sakit hati ya Pak, obatnya Pak.
Obat sakit hati. Oke. Sakit hati bisa diobatin nggak ya?
Kebanyakan orang kalau sakit kepala makan bakso sembuh ya Pak.
Oh iya. You are
Ganti sakit perut.
Oke, continue. Oke. Jadi what today next part of the label. Jadi bagian-bagian daripada label, ya. Jadi bagian-bagian label itu banyak ternyata. Jadi kita ketika ingin mengenali, if we want to recognize some product or some label in the food, drink, and in the medicines, you have to pay attention a lot to this part. First, brand or name of product. Yeah, what is the meaning brand, student? Or name of product? What's the meaning?
Merek.
Merek. Good guess. Okay, merek. Ya.
Merek Botrek, Mister.
Oke.
Mister, halo Mister.
Dan
Boleh
halo.
minta izin, ini saya dipanggil kepala sekolah lagi.
Oke. Go ahead.
Bentar ya Mister.
Oh, dikirimin lomba itu, Mister.
Sebentar ya Mister.
Lomba 17 ya.
Lomba
Oke.
esai.
Kompetisi
Oke. The
internasional,
second.
Mister.
Oh. Descriptions. What is description here? It's mean. Mr. Ari, what is
Yes.
description?
Description menggambarkan penggambaran dari sebuah label.
Menggambar. Oke, jadi menggambarkan biasanya.
Ya.
Ketika kita berbicara atau ketika kita melihat sebuah label, maka di samping ada name of product di atas tersebut yang biasanya tulisannya di mana? Kalau label atau tulisan nama sebuah produk itu huruf kapital atau huruf kecil, Mr. Ari?
Ada yang huruf kapital, ada yang campuran. Sir.
Oh iya, oke. Nah biasanya description itu kelanjutannya, menerangkannya daripada setelahnya itu daripada name of product tersebut setelahnya itu. Kemudian ya, the next content or amount ya. What is the meaning content? Miss Tina, ayo halo, are you with me Miss Tina?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the meaning content Miss Tina?
Konten isi, sir. Atau jumlah.
Isi.
Kalau amount jumlah.
Oh. Oke, good. Oke, thank you Miss Tina. Jadi konten itu meaning konten isi ya. Jadi isi berapa kira-kira isinya. Seperti kalau misalnya produk dalam makanan, biasanya isinya pakai apa? Miss Tina? Miligram ya atau apa biasanya isinya?
Kalau cair mungkin pakai mililiter atau liter. Kalau amount, kalau itu jumlahnya kepingan atau apa, biasanya ya sejumlah dengan kepingannya. Contoh kayak obat, kayak gitu. Isinya dalam satu botol ada berapa, kalau itu bentuknya kapsul.
Oke, thank you. Ya, seperti yang teman kalian ya, Tina telah jabarkan. Jadi konten itu berupa isi. Jadi kalau misalnya obat, biasanya mililiter ya. Mililiter itu ada di setiap obat. Kemudian, the next, use. What is the meaning use? Ya, Miss Isnani. Halo,
Yes,
Miss Isnani.
sir.
Oke.
Yes.
What's the meaning use? You know the meaning of the use?
Use is penggunaannya.
Oke, good. Ya. Use penggunaannya seperti apa itu obat ya, penggunaannya. Oke, atau penggunaannya biasanya penggunaan Mrs. Nani, is it for food, is it for drink, or is it for medicine?
Medicine.
Penggunaan untuk obat bisa. Penggunaan makanan nanti caranya mungkin ya Pak ya.
Oke. Thank you. And the next ingredient. Okay, I like to ask Miss Sophie. Hello, Miss Sophie.
Yes.
Are you with me, Miss Sophie? No?
Sir,
Sophie?
what should I do, sir?
No. Okay. What's the meaning ingredient?
Ingredient is apa ya, bahan-bahan ya?
Betul sekali, bahan atau biasanya apa kalau kita dalam makanan itu komposisi ya, bisa juga ya komposisi
Komposisi.
ya, betul, komposisi betul. And the next, direction to use and dosage ya. What's the meaning direction to use?
Mungkin cara penggunaannya ya, Mister ya. Kalau obat berapa kali sehari?
Oh, begitu. Is it for food or medicine?
Direction to use and iya. Saya kira itu apa benar ya, Mister ya?
Iya, bisa dua-duanya kan ya. Direction to use, mungkin arah petunjuknya, cara penggunaannya
Petunjuk,
bisa.
ya.
Petunjuk penggunaan dan dosisnya.
Iya.
Makan.
Gitu. Oke, jadi kita sesuaikan konteksnya dengan produk yang akan kita bahas biasanya. Jadi ini partnya itu umum ya. Jadi bisa ada ketika di produk, bisa ada ketika di drink, or bisa ada ketika di medicines. This is a general part of the label. And the next, direction to store. What is the meaning direction to store? Miss Lily, direction to
Yes,
store.
sir. Direction for aturan penyimpanan.
Aturan penyimpanan. Oke, ya. Miss Lily biasanya pernah nggak, have you ever consume or buy some things like medicines in your home?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What kind of medicines do you always buy?
Tolak angin.
Tolak angin, is it jamu, right?
Yes, but
Include jamu. Ya.
oh iya, paracetamol.
Paracetamol. Oke. Jadi jamu itu merupakan termasuk include to the label of medicines. Ya, local fried. Ya, betul. Is it correct? A local fried. Jadi kita harus bangga. We have to proud of because we have a local pride. Go international, ya, like jamu. Kemudian apa lagi ya? Jadi lokal kebanggaan kita itu menjadi dunia brand internasional.
Batik, batik, Mister
Batik.
Madura.
Oh, betul, batik itu ya. Batik, apalagi tuh?
Sepak bola, sir.
Sepak bola. Kita belum nih, masih jalan di tempat sepak bola. Iya. Ya, jadi jamu, kemudian itu apa tadi? Batik itu menjadi local pride sebetulnya ya, kebanggaan lokal, go internasional.
Garam,
next.
Mister, garam.
Garam. Sumenep banyak garam ya.
Banyak, Mister.
And the last, expiration date. What's the meaning expiration date? Mr. Ari? Mr. Ari? Are you with me?
Ya.
Okay. Oh, what's the meaning expiration date? Do you bring your
Expiration
do you
date.
bring sendiri?
Kadaluarsa.
Oh, kadaluarsa.
Kadaluarsa kah?
Okay.
Iya.
Yeah. Do you bring
Seperti
dictionary?
itu Pak Deddy.
Yes, good.
Nah,
Do you bring
Pak
dictionary?
Deddy suka sama saya ini. Jadi dipanggil saya terus nih.
Okay.
Gimana Pak Deddy?
Oke, there's a part of the label. Jadi itu bagian-bagian yang terpenting yang harus kalian ingat ya dalam sebuah label tersebut. Kemudian, let's go to the next. This is an example of label, food label, ya.
Diperbesar lagi Pak.
This is okay.
Cukup. Ya.
Kenapa? Okay. This is Cindy. This is name of brand, ya, brand or name. This is name of products. This is numbers, ingredients, and then expiration date, and so on. And expiration date, and so on. And the second, what kind of this? Apa ini, makanan apa nih?
Mie Pak, mie instan.
Ini
Instan.
mie instan. Ini makanan kegemaran kita semua nih kayaknya ya. Kegemaran kita semua. Cara singkat untuk mendapatkan sebuah kekenyangan ya. Nah, just like cook the noodles ya. This is brand of name. Ada description-nya. Kemudian ada expiration date-nya and the content. Ya, this kind simple. Oke. And directions ya. Direction to use. Ada cara bagaimana cara menyajikannya. ada cara gimana untuk cara menyimpannya. Kemudian ada ingredient. What is the meaning ingredient? Bahan di sini ada dijelaskan nih, bahan-bahannya seperti apa. Ya, seperti itu. Okay. And to make it clear, I also want to play two video. Okay. Appear on your screen. Nampak nggak ada videonya?
Yes.
Oke.
But no sound.
Hah?
No sound.
No sound. Oke, wait. Apakah ada? Apakah ada? Tidak, belum.
Belum.
Suaranya belum ada ya?
Belum. Not yet.
Product or medicine product.
It's look like track. We continue. Ya, kita lanjut kepada selanjutnya, yaitu tentang bagaimana social function sudah ya jelaskan. Kemudian language, ini unsur kebahasaan yang ada di dalam suatu produk biasanya, ya. Biasanya ada yang pertama kalimat imperatif, ya. Kalimat imperatif itu biasanya ada, ya. Ada command and prohibition, ya. Command itu artinya apa? Perintah, ya. Kalau perintah atau larangan biasanya. Jadi menggunakan verb ke-1, ya. Misalnya use the soft material atau shake well before use. Jadi kalau diartikan shake well, ya. Jadi dikocok sebelum digunakan, ya. Seperti itu. Kemudian ada juga dalam menganalisa kalimat label itu ada yang prohibition. Itu artinya larangan. Ya biasanya gampang sekali. Kalau kalimat larangan itu menggunakan kata do not, ya. Itu paling sering ada di sebuah label. Ya, do not atau misalnya dengan menambahkan juga no plus verb ing. Jadi no-nya itu ditambah dengan verb ing. Seperti contoh no accepting, ya. No is accepting if the cell is broken. Ya, seperti itu. Nah, itu ya gambaran singkat. Kita ulangi lagi mengenai label, ya. Jadi label itu ada berapa? Halo, student.
Halo.
Yes. Ya, Pak.
Yeah, what kind? How many kind of label?
Three.
First, food. Good. Second,
Drink.
drink. Okay. Third,
Drugs.
drugs or
Medicine.
Okay. And then, what is the purpose or what is the social functions of label? Anyone?
To know the composition of product.
Okay, good. Isnani, to know the composition of products. Okay. And then?
To know the to know what? Yeah.
No.
To know the function.
To know the function.
To know
Okay.
The description of
Okay.
product.
Oke, Mr. Eman. Ayo.
You know the description of a product.
To know description about product, ya. Jadi social functions there are three. First, to get information, ya. And the second, to know more about product and to get the best result. Okay. In these meetings, what you have to do, ya. In this meeting, after I learn or I convey about the material, what you must supposed to do. First of all, okay, you make a group. Okay, you make a group consists of 3 until 5 students. Yeah. Okay. That's okay. First, you make a group. Jadi kalian nanti akan dibuat grup ya di pertemuan ini. Grupnya berapa? Bapak harapkan grupnya tidak banyak-banyak ya. We make just 2 group, small group ya. Jadi kita buat 2 grup consist of 10 persons ya. And then you have to discuss. Discuss about what? Discuss about reading material. Ya, reading material. And then after that you have to presentation, harus mempresentasikan ya in front of your class, di depan kelas kamu ya, seperti itu. Okay, I have divided group into 2 group. First, Miss Naja, Lilik, Nurholis, Ari, Tina, and Sophie, Waris, Risma ya, sorry, not Rama, Risma, sorry, Rama, Risma, Rani, and Man. Yeah, this is a group. This is your group. Yeah, this is your group. And now let's check. This is a reading material. Ya, jadi anak-anak, ini contohnya ya. Kita lebih lanjut lagi nih mengenai contoh ini nih. Di sini sudah digambarkan nih. Ya. Pertama tentang kraton tea, ya. For the perfect cup of tea. Jadi di sini ada gambarannya di sini nih, ya. Brand of produknya kraton tea. Kemudian name of produknya tea, ya. Kemudian di sini ada juga konten atau amount-nya di sini ada ya 60 ml di sini dijelaskan. Kemudian ada juga description, yaitu penjelasannya. Apa itu penjelasan? Di sini ada for the perfect cup of tea. Kemudian selanjutnya ada ingredients, ya, ingredient, bahan-bahan. Di sini not available. Jadi ketika kalian nanti presentasi, ya, setelah melihat, menganalisa, kemudian bagan-bagan ini, bacaan-bacaan nanti yang akan Bapak berikan, nanti kalian disesuaikan dengan fungsinya masing-masing. Ya, jadi ketika tidak ada satu bahan, just say not available. Ya, jadi cukup saja bilang nanti not available. Jadi tidak semua bahan-bahan ini atau semua part-part ini bisa ditulis seperti itu. Jadi tergantung daripada labelnya. Di sini ada contohnya ya, Gallian Singset ya, lokal, Oke, lokal produk nih ya, lokal fried di sini. Kemudian di sini ada juga obat batuk fix ya, fix. Untuk apa tuh fix? Batuk ya. Nah, ya, iya betul, Baris. Nah di sini ada yang namanya
name of product, kemudian use-nya di sini seperti ada tertera dan lain sebagainya. Nah, the test tugasnya ya, tugasnya sekarang ya. Pertama, kalian baca ini bacaan. You read this ya with your group ya, with your group. Oreano first and the second Indo Cafe coffee milk and the third skin cream ya. Jadi ada tiga bacaan. Kemudian kalian diskusikan dengan temannya. Sesudah didiskusikan, kemudian kalian presentasikan. Oke. Presentasikan. Seperti itu ya. Nah, I have made a group for you. This is your group. Group A ya. Grup A. Ini terdiri dari Naja, Lilik, Nurholis, Ari dan Tina. Who is the speaker? Kira-kira siapa nih yang jadi speakernya untuk presentasi nanti? Mr. Nurholis? Oke. It's okay. It's okay. One or two speakers. It's okay. One or two speaker.
Butina saja, Butina.
Butina, oke, the speaker. Butina. Speaker Tina ya. Oke. Sorry. And then this one. Group B, who is the speaker?
I am no problem, Mister.
Okay, good. Waris.
Waris.
Mr. Waris.
Miss Risma, do you want?
Miss Waris. Ya, silahkan.
Oke, this is speaker ya. Jadi kita ada dua speaker nih ya. Nah, atau anyone want to add the speaker? Boleh menambahkan bisanya? Kalau dari kelompok A atau kelompok P satu lagi boleh. Jadi dua, siap grup boleh ada dua. Miss Lily, Mr. Nurholis? No, enough. Oke, kita lanjut ya. Di sini sudah dibagi kelompoknya ya, sudah dibagi kelompoknya. Oke, sekarang kita analisa, kemudian kita masukkan nih poin-poinnya itu. Grup E, grup Butina, grup Mistina ya.
Yes,
nah, kira-kira mau pilih yang mana nih? Mau pilih yang mana nih?
Oreano, it's okay.
Oreano, ada Indo Cafe, ada Skin Cream.
Skin Cream.
Yang kedua apa tadi, Sal? Yang
kedua Indo Cafe ya.
Indo Cafe.
Nah,
yang pertama aja, yang
pertama ini ya, Oreano. Oke. This is the first group ya.
Right now, sir?
No. I will give you a time to discuss with your friend first. Okay. Just see, yeah, just see, and then you have to presentate this. Okay. Perfect. Okay. While we are Waiting. We step to the next group. Grup kedua. Nih mau yang pilih yang mana nih?
Indo Cafe, Mister.
Grup kedua.
Indo Cafe.
Indo Cafe. Oke, Indo Cafe Coffee
Cafe.
Mix ya. Oke, di sini ya ada Indo Cafe. Di sini baca dulu. Oke, read first. And then I will give you about five. Is it enough or 10 minutes to discuss with your friend?
5 minutes minimal, Mister.
Okay, 5 minutes ya. Okay. Read it first and discuss with your friend, okay? While you are discussing, I will go to your group to ask you something or to ask you, is there any difficulties about this test? Yeah. Okay. This is okay. For Oriano, understand? The second, Indo Cafe Coffee Mix. Ya, di sini ada presentasinya ya. You just say what is presentation guide is written on this paper in presentation guide. First, brand of product, name of product, content, descriptions, ingredient, direction to use, and so on. 5 minutes. Okay, while we are waiting your discussions, I want you I want to know, yeah. Do you always bring your dictionary into the class?
No, Mister.
Hello,
I
student.
don't bring, Mister.
Why? What's your reason?
I forgot, Mister.
Oh, you always forget. You always forget. What is every time in English? You always bring or you always forget to bring your dictionary. Who else? Just Waris? Sulaiman, do you bring your dictionary with you?
Yes, I bring in my HP.
Okay,
In my
it's
handphone.
okay. Okay. Mr.
Could you zoom in,
Nurholis.
please, sir?
Okay. Okay. Do you bring your dictionary, Mr. Nurholis? Hello? Mr. Nurholis, are you with me?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry. I am
Okay.
from washing room. Yes.
Okay, it's okay. Do you bring your dictionary right now?
Yes. 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 I bring.
Okay. If you bring your dictionary, you can discuss with your friends and find out the typical meanings of vocabulary or typical vocabularies. Okay. Is it enough for first group?
Okay, sir, let me
First group
try.
or the second group? Okay. Okay. Are you ready,
Okay, sir.
Christina? Okay. Okay, I will present to you all the first group, which will present it the Oriano. The times is your. Give applause for the first group, student.
Okay, Mister.
Oh, ya, Tan.
Okay. Go ahead, Mister. Go ahead, Miss Tina.
Okay, friend, I would like to represent my group. First group, the product is, brand of the product is Oriano, is it right, sir? Oriano,
Okay.
and then
Okay, continue.
name of the product.
It's okay. Is look like brand or name is the same, almost same, is okay. Just mention one. Jadi terkadang dalam brand itu sama name itu kadang hampir sama, mirip-mirip ya. Tapi nggak apa-apa, silakan.
And then
Okay, continue.
content or amount.
Okay.
3 pieces, 35 gram. And then the description is chocolate biscuit vanilla cream.
Okay, good.
So the name of the product is biscuit. And then the ingredient are sugar, wet flour, vegetable oil, cocoa powder, milk powder, salt, baking powder, and so on.
Okay, good.
And then direction to use. There is no direction to use.
Yes, okay.
And then direction to store. There is no also direction to store.
Okay.
And then the last expiration date. Nggak ada juga, sir, kayaknya.
Oke, nggak ada ya? Oke. Sip. Give applause to the first group. Give applause. Thank you, Tina. You have presented your presentation well. Okay.
Okay, you're welcome, sir.
Okay, the next group. Indo Cafe Coffee Mix. Who is the speaker?
I'm ready, sir.
Okay, what is?
Now
the time I will present your the presentations. The times is your. Give applause, students.
Okay, thank you, my friend. Standing in front of you all, I would like to present my group. That is about this job, I think, yeah. Now, the Indo Coffee Mix. Brand of the product. The brand of the product is Indo Cafe, and then the name of the product Coffee Mix contains every one sachet is 20 gram, and
Okay,
for container content of 30 sachets.
Okay.
And then description. The description is calories 88 calories
Okay.
from fat 22.
Okay.
Total fat 2.4 gram, 4%.
Okay.
And saturated fat 2 gram for 10%.
Okay.
Sodium 20 mega, 1%, and total carbohydrate 60 gram every 5%. And sugar 9 gram, protein less than 1 gram.
Okay.
And then for ingredients, direction to use unfollowable. And then ingredients: sugar, non-dairy cream, Indo Coffee instant coffee, and then for expiration date, yes, before June, in June 2013. That's all, Mister.
Okay, good. Mr. Waris, thank you. Give applause to the second group. Good. Jadi semuanya bagus-bagus ya. Ini tidak ada benar salahnya sebetulnya. I just want to let you practice your English, ya. I just want you to practice your English in front of your friends. Okay. This is our test, the first test, ya. Oreano. Jadi sudah ya, kalian sudah presentasikan. Nah, sekarang di sini kita ada soal nih, ya. Kita ada soal 5, kemudian Bapak akan pilih, ya. Akan pilih salah satu dari kamu semua, ya. Oke. I want. This is the read the question and answer the following question. This is easy, yeah. This is easy because there is a provide or the answers. It is provided in the label or in the reading. Ya, jadi di sini ada. Oke, Bapak akan undi ya, Bapak akan acak nih. Dan random. Kelihatan? Kelihatan tidak?
Yes, yes, yes.
Kelihatan ya? Oke. Oke. Nah, di sini ada namanya 10 ya. Kita coba nih. Siapa yang isi dulu pertama? Who is the winner? Eman. Oke, Eman. Nah, Eman. Halo, Eman. Are you with me?
Yes, hello? Yes,
Okay.
I'm listening to you.
Okay. Answer the first question, Eman. What is the name of the product?
Comil. D.
Comil.
Comil.
Okay, good, Eman. Okay. Is it answer, student? Is it right? Is it correct, the answer? Hello, student. Is it correct, the answer?
Yes.
Oh,
That's
Yes.
right.
okay.
Correct, sir.
That's right. Okay. And then the seconds. I would like to random the names.
Taruh di kelas sama masukin kulkas nggak mau. Taruh di kelas nggak jatuh.
The winner is Isma.
Okay,
Isma.
Mr.
Okay. The second question, what are the ingredients of the product?
Ingredient of product.
This is
Milk,
ingredient of product.
milk, coffee, sugar.
Okay. Which one? A,
Okay.
B, C, or D? A,
D.
B, C, or D? D.
D.
Okay, D. Okay. Okay, student. Is it correct, the answer?
Yes.
Hello, class. Is it correct? Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Nih, ingredient milk, coffee, and sugar.
Sugar.
It means the answer is D. Okay, the third question. I would like random again. Oh, no. Sorry. Who is the winner?
Sophie.
Who is the winner?
Sophie.
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 Okay, Miss Sophie. The third number. Okay. Hello, Miss Sophie. Miss Sophie. Hello. No? Go to the restroom? Oh, unfortunately. Okay. As we re-random. Who is next? Okay. Go. Already ya? No. Itu sudah ya kayaknya. Oke. Nurholis. The next.
Hey, sir. Yes.
Hello? Okay. Number
Yes.
3. According to the label, the product should be used. Okay, sorry. This is the.
Yes.
Sorry. Mr. Nurholis. According to the label, the product should be used anytime. B, C, or D. This is the answer.
Saya agak susah menghitung tahunnya itu berapa ya? 2000 berapa?
Yo. Oke.
Waduh. Sebentar Pak, saya buka kamu
di
dulu
sini
Pak.
ada tahunnya nih.
Ya.
Oke,
Ya, saya buka
oke,
dulu, Pak.
good. Nggak apa-apa. Oke, silakan. Pak tunggu ya.
Sudah dapat
Oke,
Pak,
buka
sudah.
kamus
Oke.
nih. Oke,
I have
jadi
found.
jawabannya.
Yes, I found.
Oke, jadi gimana jawabannya? Kira-kira.
D. Ya, yang D.
D.
Yes.
D. Before
Yes.
5th
Yes.
of March 2023. Dari mana ini? Berarti dari sini ya. Nah, di sini ada expiry date-nya di sini. Oke. Is it correct answer, student?
Yes.
Ya,
Yes, sir.
betul ya. Betul. Oke, the next question, ya. Two more left ya, 2 lagi nih. Kita di sini siapakah? Who is the winner? To answer the question. Miss Lilik. Halo, Miss Lilik.
Yes, sir.
Halo, Miss Lilik. Oke.
Yes, Mr. Dedi.
The next question is for you. Okay, the next question is for you. Number 4. How many tablets are there available in the package? How many tablets?
Okay, back dulu.
Okay.
Okay, A.
The answer is A.
125.
Okay. Is it correct, President? Okay. A. 225. Yeah. Is it correct the answer? Student, is it correct the answer?
Yes, maybe.
Correct,
sir.
Sleepy,
Okay,
sir.
correct. Yeah. Correct. 225. Yeah. And the last one. What should a person do to know further information about medicines? Yeah. Okay. The next name. Who is the winner? Still Nurholis, yeah? Is it okay, Nurholis?
Okay, sir.
Yes, okay.
It's good.
It's my lucky.
Oke.
It's my lucky.
2 kali. Oke.
Ya, Tuhan.
Bapak kasih nilai nanti berlipat-lipat nanti. What should a person do to know further information about the medicine? Sini ada ya. Keterangannya nih. Kira-kira nih apa nih? What is the answers?
Pak,
Ya.
Mister, saya kalau terlalu
Oke.
panjang buka kamusnya agak lama.
Oke,
nggak
agak lama
solusi
ya.
untuk menjawab cara cepat? Nggak, cara menjawab cara cepat boleh dikasih tahu nggak triknya bagaimana?
Ada, ya. kita lihat soalnya di sini ada further information. Berarti dibacaan di sini ada nggak? Kira-kira yang tulisannya further sama.
Ya.
Berarti di sini ya. Nah, di sini ada.
Oh, nah.
Nah, berarti
Ya.
itu langkah yang cepat ya. Itu namanya mentebak kosakata, guessing the meaning itu seperti itu ya. Kira-kira kalau kita tidak kesulitan, di sini ada nih kata further. Berarti kita hanya ke sini. Berarti di sini sebelumnya ada kata apa? Ada kata ini ya.
Ya, si curtain for
Si curtain ya. Nah, berarti di sini kira-kira yang ada curtainnya yang mana nih ya?
Si.
Si. Berarti read information on the curtain. Oke, itu ya berarti.
Berarti cara jawabnya
itu
bisa,
deh.
Mister ya, dengan cara cepat ya. Boleh ya?
Bisa
Maksudnya kan
dengan cara cepat.
harus diartikan semua ya.
Iya, betul. Jadi dalam ini perhatikan nih anak-anak. Jadi ketika kita menemukan kosakata sulit, ketika tidak tahu artinya, itu kita boleh bisa menggunakan dengan yang namanya guessing the meaning ya. Artinya menebak suatu kata itu bisa diperkirakan seperti apa. Kalau memang kita tidak mempunyai kamus atau yang lainnya seperti itu. Okay, students, before we are end our lesson, I want you to review ya, untuk mengulang ya. What have we learned study in this meeting? Ya, kira-kira pertemuan kita yang sekarang itu membahas apa ya? Tentang apa nih? Pertama. Masih tentang label ya. Kemudian social functionnya apa label itu?
To give
Fungsinya
detailed
apa?
information about the product.
To give detailed information. Itu. Apalagi?
About the product.
Apalagi? Siapa lagi? To give detailed information satu. Yang kedua? Ayo. To give detailed information. To give benefit ya. To give benefit untuk memberikan keuntungan atau suatu keuntungan daripada obat tersebut, fungsinya seperti apa? Ya, seperti itu. Kemudian yang intinya label itu fungsinya untuk memberikan informasi yang menyeluruh ya. Menyeluruh kepada sebuah produk. Is this product safe or no? Jadi produk ini aman atau tidak ya untuk dikonsumsi. Ya, seperti itu. Terima kasih. Okay, thank you for today. I think I would want you to more study, to more ya untuk selalu terus berusaha, semangat dalam bermotivasi ya. Oke, untuk gambaran selanjutnya, the next meeting, we will discuss about the procedure text ya. Jadi selanjutnya, kalau memang ada pertanyaan di next meeting, kita akan masih membahas misalnya tentang materi ini, masih tetap, ataupun kalau memang yang tidak ada yang dipertanyakan, kita going to the next material. Any questions for you today?
Nothing.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Ya, happy weekend. Ya. Okay. And the last, I say, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Mr. Dedi.
Thank you, Mr. D.
Thank you.
Hentikan ya.